mutual funds, they can't sell short. They can't. They can buy options, put, yes, but they can't sell short. So you understand the idea. What they do after they buy back the shares, they get their money and then they go long. Okay, so I will show you this. At least guys, you can understand the thing I'm showing you. Let me show you. Yes. Okay. So let's show you what's going on. Okay. So the market, let's see here. So the market was going up. Okay. Okay. So you see? Now, as you can see, this here, before the market, this when we have uptrend, the market was good. Okay. Now here, the market begin to collapse. This, all this here is called coronavirus news. Coronavirus news. When it gets hit to the market. So this is the action of the hedge funds and day traders. Hedge funds, they are traders who can sell short. All the shares that they find, they sell short. They have billions of dollars. The market collapse. And then in this here, what they do, they buy back. They buy the shares. They buy back the shares and they give it to the broker. They give it back to the broker because they have it here. They sell it here, sell short, sell the shares, and they buy back here. Now they do another action. They begin to buy again with their money. They buy shares normally as everybody else. And the market is going up until now. Now, if you see this diagram, now why the market has been going up, but still we have bad news. Now we have more bad news than before. So what are these bad news that I will speak about before we go? What's the bad news? So let's make another page. So as you can see, most of you know the bad news. So what are they? The bad news. Now, one, unemployment numbers fly. Okay? Unemployment, it means people, they lose their job. It was 3 million, I guess 3 million. Now it is more than 40 million people without jobs. Okay? From 3 million to 40 million. I don't know how many today or it's each week. Okay? Now, second thing. This unemployment, businesses, okay, businesses stop working, most of them. Okay? Now, if a business, I can give you an example. A business, let's say it is Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness, for all you guys, you know, Planet Fitness, when you go to the gym, okay, you go to the gym, you find it is closed. But how Planet Fitness this stock is going up. Why it is going up? Unemployment from 3 million, it goes to 4 million, and each week it is worse. It is worse. How? It is worse. Businesses stop working. They don't make money. So why the stocks are going up? So you understand? Now, number 3, we have protests in America. So protesters, we have looting of the businesses. So why the businesses are going up in the stock market? So I just list these two, and we have tension, political tension between Trump and China and the other countries. So so this is in general. Okay. Now let's go to the chart, and I show you. Okay. Now here, look here. I stated the 3 very bad news. Now this here are the first, it was coronavirus news. We know this. All the people, we know it. It has gone. But why the market has been going up like this? Okay? Why is that? And why you don't believe that the market is doing good? This is another problem. Okay? This is another problem that most of the people will never understand. Why? Because the people, they get used to watch TV. That is the problem. The more you watch TV, the more you get hypnotized. Hypnotized, it means you will never know what you are doing because you just do what they ask you to do. You are hypnotized. You don't think. You think about your feelings. Okay? Hello, Rahmatullah Moody. Now, as I told you, here is the secret that I always speak about. Is the price. Forget about what they say. Don't be hypnotized because you are a trader. A trader, you should focus on the price only. There is no other thing you can focus on, the price, and then you can make money. For example, now in this week we reach 51%. Now we are at 48% up in these 2 or 3 months from February. Okay, we bought after the coronavirus news. Almost all our stocks are doing great. Okay, but you should be with the first. You should not be with the last people to buy. So if you tell me right now, what do you think about the market now? For me, now it's strong, the market. But in the future, I don't know. Because all this bad news doesn't affect the market. I don't know. It's just because people are buying. It is not small people. It's big people. Either a hedge fund or mutual fund or other people. If the market continues to be strong, we can see a lot of percentage. For example, Uber has gone, I think, 150 or 200% in this 2 or 3 months. You see that? You see that? It means although Uber has been affected by coronavirus, and a lot of its drivers stop and they are paying them right now, but still almost all the stocks are going up. I will show you for example, Planet Fitness. This is I showed last week because someone told me, oh, the companies and releases. I told him that okay, see Planet Fitness? See? Okay, let's get this. Now, see Planet Fitness. Now, you can see Planet Fitness have been affected by the news. All the stocks have been by coronavirus news. But why Planet Fitness goes up into a big trend, although Planet Fitness stores are shut down? They are closed. No one is going to Planet Fitness. Okay? So you see when I give you for example when I give you something like that, you can't ignore it. You can't ignore the whole market. For me, when I always try to see what we call the I try to see Dow Jones. You can see Russell 2000 or Nasdaq or S&P 500. Either one is good. You can use anyone. But for me, I like the biggest companies because they are 30 stocks, 30 biggest companies in the world, and they are in all the sectors, 30 sectors. It means you find credit card, you find bank, you find technology, you find the drug companies, you find everything. You find everything. So it's just a summary of the market, of the stock market. Okay? Now, so the thing is, I'm telling you as always, and for many years, those people who follow me for many years, I always told them that you should focus on price. My strategies all are based on price. And if any one of you try to see how we are buying, we are selling, you can just go and check silver or golden subscription, and you see the history. It means each week I put a video on Friday and I will show you what I bought, what I sold, and during the week, if I change something, I buy or sell, I put also a video. So it means you are following me very, very good through years, but this is yours. And you see what I do in bad time, when there is trouble in the market, and what should I do in a good market, and what stocks to buy, what stocks to avoid. This is every week lessons that I do in my subscription, and we are now at 48%. So I will put the subscription for those guys. Maybe you can check it. And you can, as usual, guys, you can send me an email. If you find it in the description. Here is the subscription page. You can just check. You don't need to do anything. Just to check what we are doing, what you get when you subscribe. Okay. Because this trading is a continuous thing. You will see good times, you see bad times. So you should just continue. Okay? Thank you very much, Pasquale. Thank you very much for your testimonial. Now, as I told you guys, price is everything. You can have news, but if you are a day trader, it's good for you. If you are a day trader, you watch it for day. But the news, you should be with the news right away. If you are trading, let's say in the morning there is a bad news comes to the market at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. You should get the news. If you see that the market is going down, you should buy even before the market opens. You see that? So those people who are following day trading too much, they know a lot about the news. But for me, I am not doing day trading. I told you many times. I'm doing swing trading. At the end of the day, when it is 3 o'clock or 3:30, I just go to search. If I want to buy stocks, I go to search. I find stocks. I put them in the chart. I choose the best one. I bought it. That's it. And I will follow it. If it goes bad with my stop loss, I exit it. If it continues, I will stay and I monitor that. Now, in the subscription, I do it I do it clearly. It means I will show you what I did, why I